Hi guys, today we're going to be doing something really cool. And if you're guessing what it is, it's the Nerf war. And guess what? I have a vest, so does my sister. So this is my sister's gun.
Here it is, guys.
That's it. And this is going to be my gun. This double barrel pump action right there. Yep, so let's do this. Oh my God. I shot my dog.
Blair with that. Don't be hitting Blair with those bullets, Noah.
It was by accident, because I'm holding the camera. Oh. So, yeah, we're going to be doing this.
Guys, I just changed my gun, so. And this is going to be my gun, guys, so.
Her pump action right there.
Yeah, I could
Won't work. So, okay, my gun's locked and loaded. Okay. So, I don't know what to do.
Why?
And, so guys, what should we do instead of I don't know. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm giving this away. Double barrel. And these are the ammo shells. Stick it on top of it. And
How come you drawer so open?
I know that was a short video, but there's going to be a part 2. So look out for that. Okay, bye guys.